Now see theorem 7.1, that is SAS congruent rule. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of other triangle. First of all, we have to given, first point is given in triangle we have given two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF such that angle B equal angle E, angle C equal angle F, and BC equal EF. Next point is to prove. Second point, to prove. To prove triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF proof. There are three cases arises. Number one is if AB equal D. Case number one. Case first. If AB equal DE. Here is the figure. See here. AB in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So AB equal DE, this one equal this one, and angle B equal angle C, angle B equal angle E, this one, angle E, and BC, this one side, equal EF, BC equal EF. Then triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by SAS rule. Case second. If AB greater than DE. Here is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. If this is greater than DE, then take any point P on AB in such that PB equal DE. Then join PC. Take any point P on AB such that PB equal DE. Take any point P on AB such that PB equal DE and join PC. Now in triangle PBC and triangle DEF, PB equal DE by construction. Angle B equal angle E, that is given, and BC equal EF also given. Therefore triangle PBC congruent triangle DEF by SAS rule. It means this angle PCB, therefore angle PCB will equal to angle DFE by CPCT. What is CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. If triangles are equal, then their corresponding parts will also be equal. But we have given angle ACB is equal to DFE, angle DFE. Therefore angle PCB will equal to angle ACB. PCB, this one angle, PCB this one, angle ACB this will be. But these are not equal. If we see the figure, then there is very difference. It means it is only possible when PC and AC will coincide, or point P or point A will coincide. So it is possible if point P and point A coincides. That is PB equal AB, PB equal AB equal DE. Therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by SAS rule. Third case. There is third case. If AB less than side DE or DE greater than AB. So in similar way as case second has proved, similarly according case second we can prove that AB equal DE, AB equal DE, AB equal DE. So triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. We can see by the figure for case third ABC and triangle DEF. We can take any point M here if DE greater than AB. DEF. Now join this. So you can prove according case second you have done. So this is the theorem 7.1. AB equal triangle 7.1 is if two triangles are congruent, if two angles and the including sides of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle.